Hello, everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best welding tables in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Klutch Steel Welding Table with Tool Kit. The Klutch 2x3 Welding Table is a heavy-duty, inexpensive table designed for advanced DIY shops and light-volume fabrication. The top is made of heavy 4mm steel and the frame is made of 2mm steel, yielding a 70-pound weight with a holding capacity of 600 pounds. The top is 36 inches by 24 inches and it's got 16mm holes, 3/4 inch, in the top, on a standard 2-inch grid pattern. Speaking of fixturing, the Klutch 2x3 welding table ships with a 24-piece fixture set for round or square stock, consisting of 4 threaded adapters, 4 stop bases, 4 magnetic rests, 8 V-blocks, 4 inserted clamps. While the height of the table is not adjustable, the legs can be shortened to use on a bench top as well as in its standard floor configuration. The legs have adjustable leveling feet on them, and can be replaced with threaded type casters. The provided fixture set is a little cheap, but considering they're even included at this price, the Klutch 2x3 welding table is a great choice for the casual home welder, although we'd like to see a top with adjustable angles. Pros: 16mm holes in 2-inch grid. Can be used on a bench top. 24-piece fixturing kit. Leveling feet on legs. 600 pounds capacity. Cons: not galvanized. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dewalt Adjustable Height Portable Steel Welding Table. The Dewalt Adjustable Portable Steel Welding Table has a long rectangular tabletop with holes, 18 x 46 inches. It's made of heavy 14-gauge steel, with a 1,000-pound capacity. The legs fold for storage and feature a double locking system. It's designed to use on a bench top, or with the legs extended. The height is adjustable in 1-inch increments from 28 to 36 inches. This table weighs 40 pounds, with a built-in carrying handle. There is a tool ring built into one end of the Dewalt Adjustable Portable Steel Welding Table to hold your torch, hammer or other tools while you work. Dewalt included a grounding stud on the end of the table as well. Some owners pointed out the tool ring and grounding stud interfere with storing the table on end. Another, slightly odd complaint is a huge sticker that covers much of the table. Several owners said it took longer to remove the sticker than it did to assemble the table. The Dewalt Adjustable Portable Steel Welding Table has an array of slots and 3/4-inch holes in the surface, very versatile for clamping your work. It's a high-quality tool with thoughtful design. Pros: foldable legs, cord minder, grounding stud, tool ring, carrying handle. Cons: tool ring interferes with storing on end. Number 3. Our third best pick is Chicago Electric Welding Adjustable Steel Welding Table. This Klutch welding table is exceptional value for money and is a great small table that will support almost any welding project without taking up too much room. Its dimensions are 36 x 24 inches, with a 4mm thick surface which supports a max load of 600 pounds, making it more solid than the foldable tables but without being too big. It stands at 33¼ inches high, but you can also set it up as a stand-alone tabletop configuration with short legs if you want it on top of an existing table. The surface is covered in 16mm holes that are evenly spaced 2 inches apart, which allows you to fix almost any project firmly into position. With the table comes a 24-piece kit which includes 4 threaded adapters, for stop bases with stop plates, for magnetic rests, 8 V-blocks, and 4 inserted clamps. It's great that the clamps come with this, and it means you have the tools to hold your workpiece steady right out the box. Overall, this is our top recommendation for a smaller, stationary welding table on a budget that's perfect for a garage or shop. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Strong Hand Tools, Nomad, Steel Welding Table. The Strong Hand Nomad portable welding table offers a thoughtful design with useful features such as the ability to connect the table to other Nomad tables. They're designed to use a central tabletop piece that attaches to a Nomad at each end, creating a single table 80 inches long. This table has 3 clamping slots over an inch wide. Its working surface is 30 inches long by 20 inches wide and made of rugged 14-gauge steel. The Strong Hand Nomad portable welding table height is adjustable between 26 and 32 inches. It's also got a top that can be angled at 30 degrees or folded for storage. There are 2 casters for easy positioning. The Strong Hand Nomad portable welding table has 1 adjustable foot to help level the table, but should probably have 2. It's very sturdy, weighing only 42 pounds but able to support 350 pounds. Some owners complain of faulty fasteners, but these complaints aren't common. No fixture hardware comes with this table, but it's compatible with the very high-quality Build Pro fixtures, also made by Strong Hand. This is a great choice for an inexpensive table to take on the truck to do field repairs. Pros: only weighs 43 pounds. 350 pounds capacity. Connects to other Nomad tables. Folds for storage. Casters for easy movement. Cons: minor hardware issues. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Hobart Folding Welding Table. This foldable table from Hobart is a simple design with a solid steel tabletop that's perfect for anyone on a budget. With no assembly required, you can use it straight away out of the box. The tabletop sits at 34 inches high, which is a good height for most people but isn't adjustable, so it won't suit everyone. The table folds flat very nicely, so you can easily move it or put it away when you're not using it. It also has built-in handles to help transport it. It's pretty sturdy and is a bit more solid than the Strong Hand's Nomad, but doesn't have some of the nice features like the adjustable height and slots for clamps. Clamps are a nice thing to have, but not everyone uses them, so you have to decide whether it's worth it. If you're not going to use them but don't want to lose things down the holes, then you can happily go for a solid top table like this Hobart one. Finally, it has a nice black-coated frame to help prevent rust and corrosion. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.